Hello everybody. There are a couple more things I'd like to tell you. If for some reason you experience an issue when you close your cover and it opens over again, like that, I'm clicking, but it was opening itself. It was closing and opening, closing and opening. It was suddenly after I was working with pinch rollers, I suddenly hit the head, but as the cover was installed, I haven't seen that this part, it's just slightly go up, and the ball bearing was stick in the position when this metal piece cannot go any further up. That's why it was not holding its position, and that was trying to go back. I checked pinch rollers, those works free, everything works free, but when I disconnected this connector for a cam motor and was rolling manually with this command wheel, rolling up and down to see where it stuck. I mentioned that it stuck on the way to the play mode. That's where I opened the cover and see this issue and fixed it. Now it works smoothly. But just for the case, if you will look for issues yourself, this is point to take a look. Another point is to check control voltage. So you see it shows 156. Our instruction says like to disconnect cam motor like that, right? So it would not be messing up, and like pull it fully unless it stops in open position, and it should be like 114, 115. So I may adjust a little bit. Okay, it's 114 volt, and then scroll back to the full play position. So it should close, it should pull up the heads, unless it stops rolling, and you would feel that you cannot roll anymore. Okay, like that, so I can move it anymore. Let me check. So it should be 919 volts for the second position. So I have 927. Okay, we'll consider it 919. So this is a high position, this is lower position. And after you do that, you may connect your cam motor, and it should start working properly. All positions, play, stop, fast forward, stop, rewind. Now, that's how you may tune it up to the factory specs. Hope you liked it and would be able to fix it yourself. I had to check all circuits on the board to understand like where to look for. Appeared it was a mechanical issue. I a little bit harder pushed the heads with my finger, and like door started to close, and like that's where it's fall out of the position. But it's easy to fix. The main problem is to understand where to look to. Hope you liked.